Hello! Today we will explore the penalty parameters in OpenAI API. Presence penalty and frequency penalty are two parameters that can be used to influence the AI's response. Let's head over to our website and select the chapter Penalty Parameters. The presence penalty helps to reduce repetition in AI responses. When the AI generates text, it tends to favor words it has already used, leading to repetitive and sometimes monotonous outputs. The presence penalty steps in to counteract this tendency. When the AI considers using a word it has already mentioned, the presence penalty decreases the likelihood of choosing that word again. This encourages the AI to explore new vocabulary and generate more varied and engaging responses. The frequency penalty, on the other hand, is designed to reduce the repetition of individual words in AI responses. When generating text, the AI can sometimes overuse certain words, making the output less interesting and more predictable. The frequency penalty helps to address this issue. The frequency penalty decreases the probability of the AI using a word again based on how often it has already appeared in the text. This encourages the AI to choose different words and phrases, leading to more diverse and engaging content. Both the presence penalty and frequency penalty range between negative 2.0 and 2.0. Positive values for these parameters increase the penalty, while negative values decrease it. Let's experiment with different values for the presence penalty and frequency penalty. As usual, we will start by entering the system and user messages. Then we will set the max tokens parameter to control the length of the AI response. Finally, we will adjust the presence penalty and frequency penalty sliders to see how they affect the AI's output. This page is designed in such a way that the AI will generate two responses, one without any penalty and one with the specified penalty values. We will compare the two responses to see how the penalty parameters influence the AI's output. This page also provides an analysis of the AI response with and without penalty. The analysis highlights the differences between the two responses and explain how the penalty parameters affect the AI's output. You can also experiment with different values for penalty to see how they impact the AI's response. What are you waiting for? Give it a try, have fun, and we will see in the next video.